We planted our first garden with so much excitement, but as the weeks passed, we noticed something wasn't right. Most of our seeds weren't growing. Today we are working on putting in some spaces for zucchini. We're just doing mounds for our zucchinis. We measured out 5 feet apart for each mound, so that's what we're working on today. We are all finished our zucchini mounds, and I was actually wondering, are they mounds? Is that like slang word, or is it just zucchini hills? I've been calling them mounds, and I'm fine with that. Anyway, they're done, and now it's time to plant the zucchini. We're gonna do some more planting today. This row directly behind me is the beets. We have a few different varieties in there already, one of them being the cylindrica. We have these golden beets, which I'll get into doing a few of those, and then these ones that, I don't know, Chioggia beets, but they look really cool. This is the first time trying. Kaylin! Come sit with Mom. This is the first time trying these two varieties. So I just went ahead and planted a whole bunch of beans, and as you can see, they are pretty close together. The package calls for them to be about 3 inches apart. I went ahead and planted them a little bit closer than that because I'm not totally sure if all these seeds are even going to germinate. I think when we moved to Newfoundland, the moving truck that we had was probably super hot inside, and it may have ruined a lot of the seeds, because we're actually finding with a lot of the things that we're trying to plant, nothing is happening, and never ever had that issue before. When we traveled here, it was extremely hot, and everything we owned was in the truck for about 6 days, so I'm wondering if that had something to do with it, just incorrect storage. It's raining now, so I'm going to just quickly cover them up and let the rain do its job. See how this works. green peas, tomatoes, zucchini, squash, and pumpkins thrived. We had a wonderful variety of herbs along with potatoes, onions, garlic, carrots, kale, and spinach. Our peppers, beets, turnips, and cucumbers all made their way into our kitchen, providing fresh homegrown food for our family. Looking back, this first-year garden was full of lessons, some learned the hard way. But even with our mistakes, we're so grateful for the harvest we did have and for the experience of growing our own food. Each season brings new opportunities, and we can't wait to take what we've learned into next year's garden. Thank you for being here and sharing this journey with us. If you've ever had a garden setback, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your experience. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more homesteading adventures. See you in the next one.